Today I am going to talk about AI agent versus AI automation. These two are the most popular things right now and they comes with lot of confusion. That what's the work of AI agent and what the work of AI automation and which one is best for you so that you can start building that and create a nice offer with that. AI automation is a kind of basically a chain or steps that runs without a human. Okay, let's suppose you have to automate this one: lead form, tag in CRM, follow up email, schedule a call. Okay, this one is 4-step process. We first collect the lead from the database, then attach it manually to the CRM. We do follow up manually with the help of our employees, or we can do it ourselves. The fourth one, schedule a call, and we schedule a call also manually. So if all these 4 action will perform by AI without involving human, so this will come in AI automation, and it will be going to be repeatable. Whenever you want to repeat it, it can be done. So this is basically an AI automation. You usually do a workflow automation without involving a human. Let's talk about an AI agent. An agent is a smarter system that acts like a human. Okay, it makes decision, adapts, and can handle messy conversation or multi-step tasks without human in the loop. Example, ChatGPT model, Gemini model. These are all the AI agents. Now you are like, I can't make this type of AI agent. So you don't have to build this also. In your case, AI agent is the things like WhatsApp chatbot for e-com. Whenever you ask any question, there will be an AI agent which will going to think and bring the things from their knowledge base. If you go with another example, there is an AI sales agent which can talk to leads, handle the objections, book meetings, and learn from responses. Here voice AI agents will come, which can basically talk to the agents. They can handle the objections. They can book the meetings also. What is the analogy? Automation is a dish. You load it, press a button, it follows the set of program. An agent is a chef. It tastes, decides, and asks questions and serves what the customer actually wants. And here the most important thing, both clean dishes. One follow the steps, another think about it and then give the responses. Let's take the real business example. Auto email follow-up for new leads. As I talk about that, an AI automation will be there which is going to follow up your client with the email. You don't need to do any manual work. And why it is called AI automation, not AI agent? Here we don't want any thinking or any self-analysis. We just want to repeat that process. Later in the video, I'm going to talk about that how you can combine both AI automation and AI agent and use it. One more example is here: auto-generate weekly social post from a content calendar. This also comes in AI automation. Let's talk about some agent examples. So what are they? Sales agent on the website that qualify leads, answer objections, book demos, so that the owner or the business gets the very good lead. Let's suppose you are the business owner. Basically, you are in real estate. Buyer is come. Okay, he need a property, and if he came directly to you and you showed him all the properties, 4, 5, 6 properties to him, and now he don't want to buy that because he's not a good lead. He just wanted to explore the things. Okay, and if there is one more step, AI step is there, AI agent basically, then this lead will come first to the AI will going to filter this lead, ask some questions: where you want this property, what your budget, all the things the AI will going to ask to him, and then actually book the call meeting with the business owner. Now this lead is filtered. That means he actually want a property. He just don't want to explore the things. It saves the business time. It saves the business hours. Let me choose my pen. Now let's come to the next part, that technical complexity. Automations are simpler. Tools like Javier, Make.com or N8N, these are the tools which you can use in the automation. Basically, they are the low code and no code tools. You don't have to do coding, and if you want some coding like 2, 3, 4 lines, then you go simply on ChatGPT and search for that. You don't need to learn coding for this. Agents are written here more complex, but they are not more complex. Okay, agents only require some prompting, some knowledge base, some data, so that they can see what the client or the customer actually want and give that to them. Both AI agent and AI automation can be made on no code tools. You don't need to learn coding for both of them. N8N, VoiceFlow, WAPI, Retail, these are the AI agent builders. So in the term of technical complexity, both are same. You don't have to code for anyone. When to sell which? So you have to sell the automation when the client have a clear repetitive task and they are wasting their time. So you have to sell automation at that place. So they instantly start saving their hours. They don't need some extra employees for that kind of work. And when to sell AI agents? The client needs human-like interaction or decision-making things, like as I talk for the real estate one. So if they want some complex thing, they want to filter their leads with the human-like responses, the AI agent will be there. There are high-value traffic or high-ticket deals where conversation matters. You can guarantee outcomes, book meetings, and reduce churn. Let's remove this rule of thumb. You don't need. If you have already read this, then you can go with this, but I don't think you need. Here it is written that start with automation, then go with the AI agents. But in few seconds, I'm going to tell you that both are same. Now let's talk about the how to price and package. You have decided when to sell AI automation. You have decided when to sell AI agents. Now it's time to how to price and package. Automation package, setup fee plus a small monthly fee for maintenance. Agent package, bigger setup plus performance or retainer model. Okay, for both automation and AI agent, when you set up them, then you ask for the setup fee plus monthly retainer. But in the case of AI agent, you can ask for the more monthly retainer and more setup fees, as they are the AI agent. They are the models which talk and acts like a human. But the thing is that automation vary with the market. If you are going to automate any business's work that needs 10 employees right now, and you have replaced all that 10 employees with the AI automation, which is going to do all the repetitive tasks basically done by those humans, so now you can charge more money for that. Let's talk about some common mistakes and then come to the conclusion. The biggest mistake is that you are just selling the fancy tech, that this is a chatbot you can use in your website, and this is the WhatsApp agent which you can use. But if all these AI agents are not solving the problems of businesses, they will not gonna buy. Either it is the AI automation or either it is the AI agent. If it is not solving the actual problem of the businesses, then they will not gonna buy that. So stop selling the fancy tech. And let's come to the part final conclusion. Here is the truth. Both automation and AI agent do the same work. They cut the manual work and increase the profit of the businesses. One is simpler and faster to deliver, and the other is more powerful as it has the thinking abilities and commands some more higher prices. They are not the enemies. There's no big difference between them. They both cut the manual work and increase the profits. They are tools on the same toolbox. Pick it based on your client need. You know what your client wants, and pick it according to you and the value you can guarantee. And if you are just starting out and want some fast wins to build your credibility, start with automation for the quick wins and then move to agents to scale the revenue. That's a smart path. Like at the first step, you build the automation, that is the step 1, and then now you are going to build the AI agent, that is the step 2.